Hey kitties, it's your girl Cutie. Another video. Today we're going to be doing part 5 of KB's favorite fashion airs, which is the movies or TV shows. So today we're going to be doing, da-da-da, you guessed it, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, 1990s fashion.
Has anyone seen my black leotard?
Okay, so first up is outfit number 1. Outfit number 1 is Ashley styled, which is the kind of like baggy pants, but also embroidered with flowers and all that stuff. Like kind of like that fashion, like where it's like kind of have like all nice stuff, but like boom. From my previous video where we did Clueless, we have the knitted sweater. And then we also paired it with white tennis shoes. I also paired it with my zirconium ring, and I also paired it with my art necklace to also give it that like kind of like Ashley look, because that's what she had in her video. But I didn't have the letter A in my name. I used K because I want to also bring in my style towards the air, keeping it like kind of like close to the same character on the show. And for the makeup look, I went with kind of like a more bold statement, bold that I never really did before. I had a pinkish purple lip. I had like kind of like a little shade of my eyes, a little bit darker than I usually would when I keep my natural look. And I did my eyebrows and mascara, the whole shebang. Kind of like make my skin glow a little bit more.
Right here next to your picture.
Outfit number 2, which is Jackie's look from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. You know Will's best friend from Philly when she came back and visited him? Well, that's when her outfit look was with a plaid shirt, a turtleneck Spanx shirt, but also in the show it was also the knitted shirt. But I went with the Spanx because I liked it, and that's what I had on hand. And also paired it with baggy pants, with also kind of like tennis shoes that I have, like that's kind of like a platform shoe, but not. And I also paired it with my K necklace, and I paired it with also some rings, the same rings I was wearing before with Ashley's outfit, the zirconium ring. And also paired it with a belt. If you're wearing baggy pants, you see them wear like a lot of belts, like big belts or smaller belts. When I put the belt on, it tied the whole outfit together, and that's when it like boom, it looks exactly like her outfit from the TV show. So I like it like that. I definitely will wear that on a daily basis outfit, because that's like kind of like boom, that's like when I want to be chill but also looking ready to go out look, that's what I will wear. Outfit number 3? Yeah, 3. Which is, everyone knows, we all know him. It's Will's outfit, where he came like on the posters? I think on posters in one part of the show where he had like his overalls, his funny shirts that had like kind of these courageous patterns on it. So I just went with like a basic kind of like shirt, which was a striped shirt but with same color scheme of the shirt that he had on. But I also tied it in with like kind of like the same shoes I wore for Jackie's outfit. I wear those with that, and then I paired it off with the same K necklace I wore for Jackie's outfit with that. And I really like the overall outfit because it kind of like give you that kiddish vibe, but also still you're ready to go out and have fun too, vibe going from it. So I really like the outfit. For outfit number 4, which is you guessed it, Hillary's.
Dad, I need $300.
I definitely love Hillary's outfit because she had like kind of like the same skirts. Like she had wool skirts, she had plaid blazers, and the plaid blazers matched to the skirts, which is like plaid skirts. She had like the whole fit, like everything was plaid, and everything was like either plaid, long skirts, short skirts, mini skirts, or she wore like blazers. If she didn't wear blazers, she wore sweaters, and if she didn't wear sweaters, then she wore like kind of like, I'm gonna say this, my two favorite people's dress outfits, like outfits from the show, is definitely Will's and also Hillary's, because Hillary's more like a businesswoman vibe from her, but also kind of like I'm ready to go shopping look. So I definitely like that. That's why I like her outfit. And also like Will's outfit because it's more like playful and like tone, like you want to be like your whole child look all in that like outfit. All of his outfits is more like still a kid but also fresh look, so that's why I liked it. Like wearing different assortments of every clothes. She'll have dresses too. I'm like, I really like her outfits. That's why when I got a chance to do it, like I always wanted to dress up like this characters from my favorite shows, but I never really got around to it. I never really had something to make me want to do, but now I do. And now I'm super loving this idea that I came up with, because now I can dress like any either a superhero or character from my favorite TV show or movies. I can finally do that, so I'm happy that I did that, because I really always wanted to dress like Hillary, but I never really had the chance to really want to do it. So I'm like, now I had a chance, like, okay, I'm gonna take it for all it's got, and boom, that's you can see me in Hillary's outfit. And Hillary's outfit, it was paired with a blazer. I also took the crop top turtleneck from Jackie's outfit, and I put it with the wool skirt that I had from my previous video, where you will see in Clueless, which is day number 4, which you guys can go and check it out, because I really like that outfit era. I really like that one. Like that's like kind of like, no, it's on top 5 favorites. And I also paired it with stockings, knee-length stockings, and then I paired it with the strap heels. And I paired her, like I also put this diamond ring on. And I put some like diamond ring earrings, and I had that same fit of the outfit makeup, because my makeup matches with every single outfit. So I'm like, I did a banging job on pairing these outfits with the makeup, because I wanted to keep my makeup. I don't want to keep changing it all the time when I was like trying to like change the outfits. So I had to like pick that color and know how to fit like each person's character outfits. So I went with like a purple lip, my natural look, but with the eyeshadow kind of like being more bold than usual wear. So I add like kind of like give it like a little purplish, but not too much purple, but like that tannish look to it. Then that's when I got my eyeshadow, did my eyebrows, did my mascara, and on top of that I did the purple lips look. As you can see, I get the purple lips, and then also around the area I outlined it with black eyeliner, because I didn't have like black lip liner. Boom, that worked well with me, and boom, I was super shocked at myself when I did it. I'm like, I can do that. I did that. I was super proud of myself. I did it. I really like this fashion era. I keep telling you guys every single video, but I'm saying it's true, because I really like the 20s, the 70s, I like the 90s, and the 80s, and I love the 2000s, because the 2000 years was like I have all the fashion trends from the past and bringing the current ones together and mushing up into like ball, and boom, you have like all the other fashion eras like all combined into one, where you like, so if someone say, oh, this outfit's out of date, is this now? But I'm like, girl, it's actually this date, because all of the fashion trends are all the same. So boom, I really like this era of fashion. Next to my other 3, you guys know it. But I really enjoyed doing this video, because I like always wanted to dress up like the French Prince of Bel-Air. I really enjoyed it. I had a blast doing it. I really enjoyed this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a comment down below of which part. Well, comment down below, cuties. What would you guys pair differently with the outfits, or would you take something away and add something to it, or would you just like scrap the whole outfit together and also just rebuild it up from where you've seen before? Leave a comment down in the comment section below, so I can chat with you guys, or we can talk about it, whatever you feel like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, Cuties Fashion Era Day 5 complete. See you guys in the next video. Bye, kitties! Mwah.